Welcome to break 47.92 for the 2021 Topps Inception baseball card box. Want to thank everyone for getting the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Monday, April 12th, 2021. It's 11:39 p.m. Eastern Time, 10:39 p.m. Central Time, and 8:39 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have King Vlad 1 spot, Laddie Cards 1, Joe's 1, Will 3. Laddie Cards with 1, Dustbar 2, S-Rub 1, DJ 1, Delta 1, Cam 1, Kyle's 1, King Vlad 1, Sponge 1, Jason T with 2, Joe's Con 2, Bay with 2, Macwell 3, Collects 4, Zach 1 spot. So let's randomize everyone 7 times to determine our team or teams for the break. And that will put Will on top, Collects on the bottom. So Will has the Diamondbacks, Laddie Cards Braves, Macwell Orioles, Will Red Sox, Laddie Cards Cubs, Joe's White Sox, Bay with the Reds, Jason T with the Indians, Dustbar Rockies, Macwell Tigers, Collects Astros Royals, King Vlad Angels, Kyle's the Dodgers, Joe's Marlins, DJ Brewers, Collects Twins, Cam with the Mets, Bay with the Yankees, Zach with the Athletics, Jason with the Phillies, Will with the Pirates, Macwell Padres, Joe's with the Giants, Dustbar Mariners, King Vlad Cardinals, Delta Rays, Sponge Rangers, S-Rub Blue Jays, and last but not least, Collects with Washington. All right, let's see what we have here. All right, good luck. Let's start with Nolan Arenado, Colorado Rockies. Arenado. Vladimir Guerrero Jr. and the Toronto Blue Jays. We have a rookie, Keibert Ruiz, Los Angeles Dodgers. Luis Garcia, rookie, Washington Nationals. We have Carlos Correa, Houston Astros. We have for the Minnesota Twins, Randy Dobnak. Auto 71 out of 125. With that stash. Rookies and emerging stars. Minnesota Twins. And last but not least, DB Garcia, New York Yankees rookie, 73 out of 150. All right, sweet. Let's go back through and see who is getting what. Starting with the New York Yankees. New York Yankees going to Bay. Congrats. Minnesota Twins. That's going to Collects. Congrats. The Astros and Correa. Houston Astros going to Collects. Congrats. Washington Nationals going to Collects. Congrats. We have the Dodgers going to Kylesta. Congrats. Vladdy Jr. and Toronto. S-Rub, congrats. And last but not least, the Colorado Rockies going to Dustbar, congrats. And that was 47.92 for the 2021 Topps Inception baseball card box. Want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon, and stick around for the bonus break spot. Thanks.